Now growing concerns over increased fire activity, and simply a lack of water, lack of precipitation, has extended the wildfire season in California and here on the Central Coast. And while the Pfeiffer Fire is out in Big Sur, fire crews have left the area. They're still on alert all over. Action News reporter Phil Gomez has more from Santa Cruz.
Well, Dan, the fire season usually tapers off in the fall, and December usually marks the beginning of the wet season, but that hasn't happened. After 3 dry winter years, wildland fire risk remains high. It's an unusual summer like December. People are out and about doing activities not usually associated with the winter day. People playing volleyball, taking in rides and attractions at the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk.
It's gorgeous, yeah, definitely. It's t-shirt time.
It should be rainy right now in the UK, so this is very different.
It is different. It's one of the driest years on record in the state. CAL FIRE has extended its fire season.
What we see here is a snapshot of all the wildland fires that we've had since November 1st.
While mid-December's Big Sur fire scorched through more than 9 acres, made the headlines, and destroyed dozens of homes, this map shows Felton's CAL FIRE station has battled 31 smaller fires since November 1st. The total for the same period last year was 9.
There actually are typical fires in heavy fuels, anywhere from half an acre to an acre. Those are normal burning conditions for us during the summertime without any winds. So we're seeing burning conditions now as we would do in a normal fire season.
This map shows the different conditions in California. Green represents very moist conditions. Yellow is dry. Here on the Central Coast, it's brown, which is extremely dry. Usually, CAL FIRE's Hollister Air Base is shut down for winter preparedness November 1st, but they've been called out on several air missions.
We've been called out to probably a half a dozen fires since we were supposed to shut down. Kind of CAL FIRE's goal is a quick, fast, safe initial attack. We try to keep 95% of our fires at 10 acres or less.
The wildland fire threat is a cause of concern for many people living in the Santa Cruz Mountains.
We cleaned a lot of our brush and so forth. I live up by the cemetery right up on, so it's not too bad. And then across the street, they cleaned all of that low debris.
We are very nervous. We live in Lompico. We live on top of a hill, and fire goes uphill. So we are definitely nervous.
And what also has created a sense of uneasiness in the Santa Cruz Mountains is the combination of dry conditions and holiday celebrations. Fireworks are just about the worst thing anyone can set off to bring in the new year while these dry conditions exist. In Santa Cruz, Phil Gomez, KSBW, Action News 8.
All right, thank you, Phil.